can play with it when you're up there. I gotta get some more stuff for you. And if it's the one in crooked, you can't even lock it, can you? Get the lock off. Now you gotta put it back in. See? Goes in there and you slide it in. I didn't make it as a diving board for you. What are you gonna do? You're supposed to be playing. No fun when you can't run away with it, huh? Do you like it? Have to find some more things to put on there, huh? Maybe I'll cut it in half and make it into like a little A-frame and stick it on the ground so it can stand up. What you think about that? I can see you're excited because all you want is butt rubbing. I figured out how I want to lock that one. I'm gonna put that up and go dunk. I'm not rubbing your butt already. I just got off work. Rattle your chains. Are you rattling your chains? Try to control your excitement. Can you? Can you control your excitement? Hi. How are you? I made you that to play with. And that lasted really long, didn't it? Hmm. You could probably sell that piece of board for a lot of money right now. Since everything's expensive, huh? Plywood's expensive. Good thing we've had that for a while. Okay, this was fun and exciting. I hope you all had as much fun as Max did and did not explode from excitement like Max did. Right? Say bye.
Bye.